So, for a lot of home buyers, the way they start the process is kind of exploring neighborhoods and going to open houses. And now that everybody is stuck at home, that's a little bit more difficult. So, if you are thinking about buying this spring or summer and your plan was to kind of meander through some neighborhoods and visit some open houses and maybe meet some agents, see who you liked, see if there was a house that you liked, what in the world are you going to do now? Well, the answer is you can actually still do that. It's just going to be virtual. So, the great news is that our local MLS has added a feature so that agents can actually add the virtual open house information to the MLS. I've had 2 calls from agents this past week asking me how to do a virtual open house because we immediately got on the bandwagon and held a few virtual open houses because we knew it was important to get buyers viewing our listings. And one of them that we held open went under contract with an offer within a week. So it does work for sellers, but it's also working for buyers. You're able to really see the features of the home without leaving home. So how do you find out about what's going to be a virtual open house? I'm going to drop a link right below, and you can sign up for the CRMLS Home Spotter app. That pulls the information directly from the multiple listing service, which is what agents use to search, and it's also where agents are going to start putting virtual open houses. Now, this was just added to the system yesterday, so give it a little bit of time for those to start populating, but if you set up the app now and then begin searching for that, you will be able to find out about the virtual open houses. Homes are still selling, and in the hot neighborhoods, when something is priced right and it's attractive, we're still seeing multiple offers. Some areas are going a little bit slower, but homes are still selling, and so you absolutely can still check that out. Now, on neighborhoods, obviously, you can do, what I call a Google drive-by, and do a street view in the neighborhood and then walk around. But we've also got on our website a really, really great kind of overview of all of the neighborhoods in Long Beach. And so you can get some more information about what area is covered there, what types of homes. You can see everything that's currently for sale in that neighborhood. If you have any questions at all about the process, please let me know. We have also just put together a virtual home buying guide. So if this is your first time buying a home virtually from home, we've got some great resources and tools to help you with that process. Please let us know what questions you have, and we look forward to talking soon. Thanks a lot. Stay safe, stay well.